Welcome back to our Vaastu channel. Today's our topic is septic tank and its effects I am going to present to you. Now in general, I am explaining you if your property is like this, your septic tank is at northeast corner, generally it is giving you growth related problems. Whereas if your septic tank is here at exactly east side, is giving you difference of opinions. Whereas septic tank is at southeast corner giving you happiness. Whereas septic tank is exact at south side is giving you loss of money. Whereas southwest septic tank is giving you loss of money, men also. Whereas west side septic tank is giving you reduction in the name. Whereas northwest septic tank is giving difference of opinions as well as increasing enemies is giving. Whereas north side septic tank is clearly giving you loss of money. That is general which I explained. Now I am coming into the a little elaborate where coming into the builders. Builders they make an apartment and they will go away. Maximum we need not take into the consideration about the builder's point of view here at this moment. Now I am coming into the housing societies. Your housing society is having a northeast corner septic tank is giving you good growth related issues. Whereas east side septic tank is giving you clearly a difference of opinions. Whereas septic tank is at exactly southeast corner is only the thing is giving the happiness in the housing society. Whereas south side septic tank is clearly giving you loss of money. Whereas southwest corner septic tank is giving in the housing societies loss of money, men also. Whereas west side septic tank is clearly giving you the reduction in the society name. Whereas northwest corner septic tank is giving increasing in the enemies. Whereas north side septic tank clearly giving you loss of money. This is the issue of related to the housing societies. In whatever septic tank, wherever you are created, but the northeast corner is clearly required the water tank which is deeper than the septic tank. You please remember this. Whereas I am coming into the Bangala Owner. If you are a Bangala owner, clearly building a bungalow or build a bungalow, I advise if northeast corner septic tank is there, it is giving you growth related problems. Whereas east side septic tank is clearly giving you a difference of opinions. Whereas southeast corner, only one corner is giving you happy life to the tenants. Whereas south side septic tank is giving a loss of money. Whereas exactly southwest corner septic tank is giving loss of money and men also. Whereas west side septic tank exactly is giving you reduction in the name. Whereas northwest corner septic tank is increasing the enemies. Whereas north side septic tank is giving you loss of money. Now, wherever you build, your septic tank in the property in your bungalow required to build northeast corner a water tank which is deeper than the septic tank. Now coming into the office, if you are running an office, you are having northeast corner exactly the septic tank, it is giving you growth related issues. Whereas septic tank at east side is giving a difference of opinions inside the management as well as outside or employees also giving. Whereas southeast corner septic tank is the only corner is giving you happy life to the company. Whereas south side septic tank is giving to the company a loss of money. Whereas southwest corner septic tank is giving you loss of money, men also, and growth related and production related, marketing related issues. Whereas west side septic tank is giving a growth as well as a reduction in your quality of the products. Whereas northwest corner septic tank is giving increasing the enemies. North side septic tank is loss of your money, orders, quality, everything. Whereas Even if you anywhere you are having a septic tank, required to make a northeast corner one water tank which is more deeper than the septic tank, I advise. Coming into the factory management, lastly, even factory you are running a production unit, you are having a septic tank at exactly northeast corner is giving you growth related issues, whereas east side septic tank is giving you difference of opinions, whereas septic tank at only the southeast corner is giving you happy production lines. South side septic tank which you are having is giving you loss of money, and southwest corner septic tank you may not know, sometimes it may lose money, men also, whereas west side septic tank is giving you reduction in the name of your products and quality also, whereas exactly northwest corner you are having a septic tank in your production unit is increasing the enemies, whereas north side septic tank you are having is losing the money. Now, in coming into the case study which I visited one person at exactly southeast corner. The person is a Bangala Owner, is leading a happy life. Now, I visited a person which is having a exactly northwest corner septic tank that is related to the one production unit. He created inside and outside enemies knowingly, unknowingly, by default. It has happened because I found due to this. I advised him to shift from here, but he is unable to shift, but it is still going on. His status is going on, same thing. Now I conclude this. My next video will be on the placement of the bungalow or office or factory in your property, even if it is a case of builder, where to be placed exactly, the location I will be going to explain to you. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel Rudra Vaastu. Thanks for watching. Thank you.